So the job tab is very straightforward, right? We're filling out customer information, and this info will transfer over to our headers if we have them set up properly for our drawings. Very cut and dry, right? Job dashboard is something that you're not going to recognize unless you have enterprise version. That does give you the ability to change settings like doors, drawers, hardware, textures across multiple rooms, which can be pretty useful if you're doing larger projects with many rooms or closets involved. The other tab you're going to see in here that everyone has access to is job notes. So I've set my job notes up specifically as a manufacturing checklist and a pre-drawing checklist. Your draftsperson or production manager can go through and line by line check these items off per job when they are finished with it. I will be adding a closet checklist later on that will come with the library, or you'll have to just kind of import it in yourself. But that's something that I want to make available for everyone. Other than that, job tab is job tab. You can add pictures in here. You can add job notes and reference these in your multi-print drawings and symbols.